This is Mr. Yasin. Mr. Yasin was suffering from a level 2 androgenetic alopecia, so he decided to restore his hair with advanced hair transplant specialist team. On a third month, after Mr. Yasin went through a shading phase of the restored hair, a tiny strains of hair started to grow on Mr. Yasin's scalp. After 5 months, the restored hair on Mr. Yasin's scalp starting to show an improvement, and almost covering the bald area of his scalp. After 9 months, Mr. Yasin's hair has finally grown thicker, covering the scalp of his head. Now he is more confident than before. Get your free consultation now.